In this film, the teacher, Don Cherry, combined pointing on the sound color rectangle chart with gestures and clapping to show very clearly how the students needed to distribute energy in saying the word another.
The metaphors of the position on the chart, down for low energy sounds, up for full vowels, and his gestures, slump for low energy sounds, upright for full vowels, meant that the students experienced this fundamental mechanism of English.
Experiencing this mechanism in their own bodies and seeing and hearing other students doing so continued their work on English stress and reduction. They would continue to work on this during the rest of the course.
We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below or on our website at www.silentway.online.